Welcome to the world of AI creativity, where we explore the best ChatGPT prompts you can use to create better social media content. Social media has become an essential part of our lives, and creating engaging content has never been more crucial. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of ChatGPT generated prompts to supercharge your social media presence. First of all, if you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, go to chat.openai.com and create your account. If you have subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, you are able to use ChatGPT 4 already, and this is another true game changer, but one step after the other. ChatGPT generated prompts are a game changer for social media enthusiasts, influencers, and marketers. With the power of AI, these prompts can help you produce captivating content that keeps your audience hooked. So, without further ado, let's explore the top GPT generated prompts for social media. Prompt number 1. Inspirational quotes. Share thought-provoking quotes to inspire and uplift your audience. GPT can generate a wide range of quotes from famous thinkers to lesser known gems. Let's take a look at an example. Let's ask ChatGPT to give me an inspirational quote for success. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Nice. Prompt number 2. Conversation starters. Engage your audience by asking thought-provoking questions or sharing existing facts. Let's feed GPT with, give me a conversation starter that's sure to get my followers talking on social media. Here's a conversation starter that is sure to spark engagement among your followers on social media. If you could go back in time and witness any event in history, what would it be and why? Oh, nice. That's great. Prompt number 3. Tips and tricks. Share your expertise by providing helpful advice on a topic related to your niche. GPT can generate tips on a variety of subjects. Let's get some tips on photography. Write a social media post for Instagram with emojis on how to improve photography without spending money on gear. Output without comment. Want to improve your photography skills without breaking the bank on new gear? Here are some tips. Play with natural light, blah, blah, blah. Nice. That's really good, actually. Nice. That's really good, actually. Prompt number 4. Personal stories. Connect with your audience on a deeper level by sharing relatable experiences or anecdotes. Let GPT help you craft a compelling narrative. Here's an example. I put in, write a compelling social media post to connect with my audience on an emotional level, and use this input. I failed on all math exams in 10th grade in school. I started to cry and I felt absolutely humiliated. Not because of the F, because of my crying in front of the whole classroom, all the girls, my friends, the teacher, and so on. And this is what ChatGPT gives me. Hey everyone, today I want to share my personal story with all you. When I was in 10th grade, I failed on all of my math exams. I remember feeling completely crushed and humiliated, but it was blah, 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 na, na, na. I started to cry in front of my entire classroom, my friends, the girls, my teacher. I felt like I had let everyone down and blah, 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 blah. Embrace your emotions, overcoming failure, never give up. Oh, wow, that's amazing. And this was made with the free version ChatGPT 3.5 and not even 4. Prompt number 5. Challenges and polls. Encourage audience interaction with fun challenges or polls. GPT can generate exciting ideas to keep your followers engaged. And here is a sample challenge. Create an idea for a challenge I can share on social media to get people writing newsletters and start selling via email. This is what comes out. How about a 30-day email newsletter challenge that encourages participants to create and send a daily email newsletter for a month? Here are the details. Invite people to join the challenge via social media, email, or other channels. Provide participants with tips and resources on how to create an effective email newsletter, including topics to write about, formatting, and design tips and strategies for growing their email list. Assign a theme or topic for each day. This challenge will not only help participants to get into the habit of writing and sending regular email newsletters, but also to grow their audience and potentially increase sales through email marketing. I guess I can work with that. With these GPT-generated prompts, your social media content will be more engaging and captivating than ever before. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience, and GPT-generated prompts can help you achieve just that. But before we wrap up, let's quickly recap our top prompts. Number 1, inspirational quotes works always. Number 2, conversation starters. Number 3, tips and tricks. Number 4, personal stories. Number 5, challenges and pause. Before you go, here are some tips to make the most of GPT-generated prompts for your social media. Tip number 1, personalize the prompts. While GPT is fantastic at generating content ideas, make sure you add your unique touch to resonate with your audience better. Tip number 2, experiment with different content formats. Mix things up by using GPT-generated prompts for images, videos, or even live streams. Tip number 3, keep track of your analytics. Monitor your audience response to the GPT-generated content to understand what works best and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, what are you waiting for? Harness the power of GPT-generated prompts and elevate your social media game today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered insights. Until the next time, happy content creating.